Are you planning on selling your home in 2025? There are 7 critical steps that you must take to ensure a successful sale. Skipping just one could be extremely costly. It is a new competitive market, and making your property stand out is key to attracting buyers and securing the best price for your property. To make sure that you don't fail in the sale, follow these 7 essential steps. Each of these tips will not only help you sell faster, but can also increase your home's value. But most importantly, it will make sure that it sells. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I got you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. Look, this list of 7 is in no particular order. As a matter of fact, I mixed them up on purpose because this ain't your neighbor's market and you can't skip any of them. So you're gonna have to watch all the way to the end to make sure that you understand everything you need to do to get your home sold in 2025. Number 1, declutter and depersonalize. Buyers want to envision themselves living in your home, not see it as your personal space. Start by removing any excess furniture, trinkets, any items that make rooms feel smaller or overly busy. You may want to consider renting a storage unit for the bulky items during the selling process. Or, if you can't afford a storage unit, stack them nicely in the garage, but make sure you leave access for the inspector to be able to get up into the attic, because once you go under contract, they will need to get in there to thoroughly inspect the home. You'll want to pack away any family photos, personalized decor, and any unique collectibles. Replace them with neutral decorations that appeal to a wider audience. A clean, minimalist aesthetic allows buyers to imagine their own furniture and style in your space. Number 2, make any necessary repairs and updates. Small issues can raise red flags for buyers, making them think the home isn't well maintained. This is the most important thing in the process and the one that has changed the most in the past 2 years. You'll want to fix any leaky faucets, squeaky doors, chipped paint, any broken fixtures. Even small issues can leave a negative impression. You'll also want to focus on the high impact updates, such as a fresh coat of paint in a neutral color, not red, replacing any outdated light fixtures, or upgrading any kitchen hardware, as well as your flooring. These small changes can make a huge difference in modernizing the look of your home. You'll want to avoid any major renovations unless necessary, as you may not recoup the entire cost. Instead, focus on cost-effective fixes that will add value. Number 3, enhance your curb appeal. First impressions are everything, and the exterior of your home sets the tone for potential buyers. Trim overgrown shrubs, mow the lawn, add fresh mulch, plant seasonal flowers to add a pop of color. These are all very cost-effective things that you can do to change that overall first impression of your home. You'll also want to pressure wash the siding, the driveway, and the sidewalks. Clean all of your windows inside and out for a very polished look. Consider painting your front door a very welcoming color, or replacing worn out house numbers or light fixtures on your porch. Think about it. A clean, inviting exterior can increase the foot traffic to your home. If somebody says, hey, I'm just gonna go drive by that house, and it looks super appealing, they're probably gonna pick up the phone, call their agent, and schedule a showing. But if they drive by and the house looks crappy, well, guess what? You may never even get that showing. Number 4, deep clean every inch of the home. A spotless home shows buyers that your home has been properly cared for and well maintained. Scrub your floors, your baseboards, windows, and appliances, and pay special attention to the kitchens and bathrooms, as the buyers often scrutinize these areas. You'll also want to neutralize any pet smells, smoke, or lingering food odors with deep cleaning and air purifiers. Fresh flowers or light neutralize scents and can create a welcoming environment. Hire a professional cleaner for a one-time deep clean if needed. Their expertise ensures no detail is left overlooked. This is one area where I see a lot of homeowners make the mistake thinking that they will deep clean their own house. You will not do it as good unless you're a cleaner yourself as a professional would. Take the time, take the money, and put it aside for this step in the process. I promise you it will be well worth the money. Number 5, stage your home. Professionally staged homes sell faster and for more money. Highlight key spaces. Arrange your furniture to showcase the room's potential and maximize space. For example, create a cozy reading nook or set the dining room table with neutral, elegant place settings. Open up your curtains and add lighting to create a bright, airy feel. Natural light makes spaces feel more inviting. If professional staging is outside of your budget, work with your real estate agent to stage your home using what you already have. This is called repurposed staging. Number 6, set the right price. Overpricing your home can deter buyers, while underpricing can leave money on the table. Work with your real estate agent to research comparable homes in your area. They'll consider factors like location, size, and recent sales trends. A fair price will attract more interest, which can lead to competitive offers. But trust your agent's expertise. They will help you find the sweet spot that generates the most interest without undervaluing your property. And number 7, create a marketing strategy. In today's digital age, how you market your home is as important as how it looks. High quality photos are a must for online listings. Consider adding a virtual tour or drone footage for an immersive experience. Ensure that your home is featured on popular real estate platforms with compelling description as well as accurate details. You'll want to leverage social media, email campaigns, and open houses to reach the maximum amount of buyers. Work with an agent who uses cutting-edge marketing tools and techniques to get your home in front of the most people possible and the right audience. Selling your home successfully in 2025 comes down to preparation. Following these 7 steps, decluttering, making necessary repairs, enhancing your curb appeal, deep cleaning, staging, pricing it right, and marketing it effectively, you can ensure that your property attracts serious buyers and fetches you the best possible price. If you're ready to list your home or need expert guidance, reach out to me and my team. Together, we'll create a tailored plan to help your home sell in the shortest amount of time for the most money possible. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on the next one.